Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing my second video for my series of Trade Like a Pro. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you one very powerful trading pattern combined with another very powerful trading strategy. For this example, I'm going to be using the chart for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, and these are the one-day candles. Now, what most people would do here, most beginners would do, is draw a resistance line from here to here, right? It seems obvious. But we're not beginners here, we are pro. So we can delete this garbage, there's no resistance whatsoever. We can show the full chart and make it flat like this. Much more flat, because then it's more realistic, because it gives you a lot more room in the upside, you know, to get targets of $1 million and things more, you know, more realistic targets. Now, the correct way to draw the lines here would be from this top to the next top and extend it like so. That's going to be our first resistance. And then down here, we can draw the support from this low to the other low, something like that, okay? These are going to be our support and resistance. And if you don't know yet, after seeing these lines here, this pattern, it's called the jaws of wealth. I mean, it's a very common pattern. You can find it in any professional trading book, or just Google it. It's called the jaws of wealth. And if you cannot find it by that name, you can also Google it by the crocodile teeth, okay? Either way, here we can count the teeth within the jaws, and we can draw them using this tool here, which is the Elliott wave tool. We have one tooth here, the second tooth here, and then we're working now on the third tooth, which is obviously going up here. Okay, whoever says we're going down here, they're just losers. You know, you can tell them to, you know, go back to reality, because this is not going down. This is obviously going up here to complete this jaws of wealth pattern. It's a very common trading pattern. Now, what happens when we get here in wave 5? Well, we're gonna have to combine this trading pattern called the jaws of wealth or crocodile teeth with the Elliott wave theory. So the Elliott wave theory says that after 3 teeth, we're going to get an ABC correction. So if we grab the ABC tool here, we can draw the correction. Now we go like so, A. This theory says that the wave B cannot be higher than the wave 5 here. It cannot be higher up here. It should be lower. That's what the theory says. It should be something like this according to the rules. Now, there are some exceptions that you can apply, and one of the main exceptions says that if it's me that's drawing these lines, then it's fine to put it higher. In fact, if it's me who's drawing these lines, I can put it as high as I want, and it's fine. This is one of the cases when you can apply the exception. So, since it's me drawing this, I say this is going here. Okay, and the C is going to go here. The C should be lower than the A according to the rules, but again, since it's me drawing this, it's fine to put it here to complete this perfect, nice and beautiful crocodile teeth pattern, aka jaws of wealth. Now, the interesting part about this chart is that if we make this even more flat, like way more flat like this, shrink it down, we can see that the all-time highs in this chart was back here all the way up for 50 Bitcoin per Ethereum. You see the wick of this candle, a very long wick in this candle. It was very bearish back then, but now it's very bullish, because it means we're going back there. And we're going back there in the corrective wave B. So again, you can apply this exception since I am the one drawing this. So the wave B, the corrective wave B, is going to correct all the way up to 50 Bitcoin per Ethereum, up to the all-time highs. Now, what happens here? You guys probably know already that double tops are unicorns. So if we believe that's true, then it means we need to go much, much higher. So we can again make this more flat like this, take it down, and the corrective wave C is going to go much higher. I'm projecting it's going to go somewhere between 200 and 240 Bitcoin per Ethereum. So this is going to be the end of the correction. As you can see, it's going to correct up to B, and then it's going to finish the correction at the wave C at around 200, 220 Bitcoin per Ethereum. And this is going to happen by the end of 2019. So from the middle of 2018, more or less, we're going to start this correction, the ABC correction here. And the correction is going to end more or less by the end of 2019. And it's going to end here at around 220 Bitcoin per Ethereum. So this is my projection, guys. I hope this tutorial was clear. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll answer all your questions. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.